Located just a mile and a half from campus, the University Farm is Truman's center for hands-on learning in agricultural science. Covering over 400 acres, the farm provides students with ample opportunities for practical experience, from learning agricultural principles to helping grow and cultivate a wide variety of plants and mushrooms, even helping raise herds of cattle and horses. The work done here directly benefits Truman. Through the Farm to Table program, produce from the University Farm supports campus dining and the local food pantry. Then food waste from dining halls is collected and turned into compost for gardens. The farm allows students to utilize cutting-edge technology like our observatory, astronomy research center, and controlled plant growth facilities, all of which are entirely solar-powered. But at the heart of the University Farm is what matters most: our students. Come see it for yourself today. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of Truman, schedule your in-person campus tour today.